ब्रो तुला कळतं का 5 मिनिटांमध्ये आपण YouTube साठी किती काय काय सेव्ह केलं. Hi guys, this is me Samriddhi. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, consider subscribing so that the next time you and I will meet here again. Today I'm just so happy. Tomorrow I am going to be more than happy. We all are excited because me and my friends are going on a one-day trip to Lonavala. That we have been planning for a year. And finally now we can go. We are good to go. We leave tomorrow for Lonavala, and today I'm going to Akshada's so that we'll have our extra sleepover, and tomorrow we will go together. It is going to be amazing. I'm vlogging everything. I can't wait for you all to meet my friends. It is going to be super duper amazing. The bag is ready. We are good to go. So without wasting any time, let's just go. Bye. Fine. ब्लॉग
ओ आतापासूनच चालू केलंस तू
घरूनच.
मी येते तिकडे चालत चालत
दिस इज आयुषी.
हाय मी येते
This is
तिकडे
अक्षू.
चालत चालत आणि ती असं
रात्रभर झोपली नाही
मला थोडी झोपली
झोपू देते
Akshu, say hi to the vlog. आयुषी, हम किधर जा रहे हैं कल?
सुपर मार्केट
कल
कल लोणावळा
और अभी
50 रुपयाचा चुप एवढा मोठा नको
नाही, एवढा मोठा नाही घ्यायचा.
काय करते ग काय करते अशीच का बघते फक्त.
मेरी क्रिसमस. हम लोग किधर जा रहे हैं कल?
लोणावळा बाबा
किधर?
लोणावळा.
Are you excited?
येस बेट्या.
How much? Show me your excitement.
लोणावळा
How do you feel?
ऑसम.
Are you excited? How much?
काय करायचं असं म्हणजे फक्त कॅमेऱ्यात बघत राहायचं का? अजून काय बोलायचं बिलायचं असतं? मी कधीच माझ्या आयुष्यात व्लॉगर नाही बनू शकत.
मी पण. साथ मेरा है नसीब जुड़ा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो. Hi guys, it's 24th of December. Today we leave. We are ready, but yesterday we found out that I am going to have my Viva. So done with my Viva. It was super easy and actually fun. Ayushi is here, Akshu is here, everyone's ready. Huh?
पटपट आवडलं एवढं.
Yes.
कधी निघायचं?
आता चला. अक्षू
लाव.
खाना
खाते ना.
दीदी करो ना, जाना है.
जाते ना मग. आता कोण वेळ करताय?
चलता है इतना. नाची बाय. We are going. We can't wait to meet our friends. They are already there. We are late, but let's see. Yeah, we are absolutely late because of obviously her.
शुभ्र आहे ना ती.
ये तो धूम करने दो. हाँ, देखो मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ. Basically, Zui is here to kiss us goodbye.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shubrata. Happy birthday to you. Hi guys.
Hi guys. It's your boy Danny Jain. Hello guys. Hello guys.
Yo. Hi guys, we are here.
ये ना हो.
Everyone is here.
This is girl.
This is our girl gang.
अच्छा वीडियो चलता है. Okay. Hi. Hello. I'm not going.
कौन है?
गणपति बाप्पा. मंगल मूर्ती. भाई मी आता जरा डोकं लावू का? कधीपासून डोकंच लावायचं प्रयत्न.
Has highest metallic character. Lithium.
लिथियम गेली.
ती lithium बोलली तू.
So guys, we have taken a short break before we reach our destination. So far so good, it's just so much fun. Let me show you my gal pals. Gal pal number 1. Doing all the business.
And me?
Doing nothing. You are just sitting there doing nothing. Guys, this is so much fun. It's like we are just enjoying everything. हमें बहुत मजा आ रहा है. किधर है बाकी के लोग? ब्रो मैं बिल्कुल शाय नहीं है अभी रिकॉर्ड करने में. इधर 100 सैकड़ों लोग मेरे को ऐसे देख रहे हैं. Where are we?
Petrol
It's fun. It's fun. ये पेट्रोल पंप पे फोन नहीं यूज कर सकते ना?
नहीं.
ओके बाय. चलो सब आ जाओ फ्रेम में. My gal pals.
Missing some.
Yeah.
Dipisha, Wine fans, we love you.
This how are you feeling?
अरे मी तुला चालेल थोड्या वेळाने कॉल करू का आता?
Are you excited? Are you excited for a trip?
Cool.
How is it going so far?
Take care.
इस पे जूम इन करेंगे मैं. सिद्धेश.
Bucks.
Bucks.
बक्कम.
मेरे को तो अंदर लो.
Say hi to the vlog.
अरे मेरे को तो अंदर लो.
इंटरव्यू चल रहा है.
तुला फोन चांगला नाही.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Guys, we have reached our destination. Yes.
चलो.
This.
Excitement as F. Yes. Like, bro, we are gonna.
This is going to be the best birthday ever.
Shubrata's best birthday.
Guys, this is where we are staying for the next 24 hours. Everyone is excited. Everyone is excited. Boys are here. This is for us.
क्या आहे? केवढं लहान आहे हे.
I still can't believe that we planned something and we are doing it.
लाईक कमेंट काय आणि सबस्क्राईब शेअर.
Yes, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my friend's channel, which is Jovial Fun. Okay, guys, so I am shooting tour a villa now. This I'm giving you guys an exclusive tour to the villa. Let's go in. I haven't seen it yet. Welcome to Tour A Villa.
Outcome of 13.5.
This is where we are going to cook. Let's go upstairs.
I will be here after my marriage, okay?
Let's go. Let's see what do we have up there. We have a bathtub here. We have a bathtub here. This is going to be our room. This is me. Me again. We have a bathtub.
Yes. See, we have a motherfucking balcony.
Wow, we have a balcony. We have a view. It's cold. Wow, man. Oh my god. This is just amazing. This is wow. Let's go. Let's see.
अरे तो वेज करी नहीं लेंगे ना, एक वेज करी दो चिकन अंडी ले.
मेरे को चेंज करने का यार.
अभी जितना भी मैं शूट करके गई थी वो उधर जाके समझा कि मैंने चालू ही नहीं किया था. ब्रो तुला कळतं का 5 मिनिटांमध्ये आपण YouTube साठी किती काय काय सेव्ह केलं. लाईक, शेअर, कमेंट and subscribe to my friend's channel, which is Jovial Fun.